So today we have with us Mr. Avishak Agarwal of Kruti Group, Director of Kruti Group of Institution. So Mr. Agarwal is an engineering and MBA graduate. So he did his engineering from Pune and his MBA from IIM Raipur, and he is currently a director of Kruti Group of Institution, and it's been 8 years of experience for Mr. Agrawal in the education sector. So welcome to our show. Welcome to our show, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we'll start with the first question. So as you have held key position in education institute throughout your professional career, so what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
See, holding a position in the education sector, I feel proud in sharing knowledge and wisdom with the students and in helping them shaping their career. And it gives me also immense pleasure and satisfaction when I see my students occupy good positions in various sectors across the globe. So the respect and honor received is unparalleled, and this keeps me connected with the education sector. And I think we are creating a whole new generation.
Okay, yeah, that's quite great. Yeah. So, and being the director of Kruti Group of Institutions, so what is your philosophy of leadership? So, how would you describe your leadership style?
See, my emphasis is always towards standard and quality of education that to be delivered to the students, and which cater the need of the industries in the current scenario and current time. There are various prospects to the students' fraternity. So I believe in sharing responsibility with faculty and give them freedom to work and also make them accountable to make the students understand the meaning of education and to understand how they can shape their career better with gaining the knowledge and education in today's time.
Great. So, how does the curriculum of Kruti Group of Institution ensure the best practice of the industry?
See, Kruti is about creating, dreaming, and designing the future and making human life happy. Kruti is all about making things happen. So, we aim to create things and see how those things run and go ahead smoothly. It aims to create a successful career path for each and every student and staff and support to the youth to work towards a common goal of providing avenues of higher technical education, matching international standards of education and training. And you can also say that we are a state where most of the peoples belongs to the backward community. So we are serving the people over here to develop their skills and train them to international standards. We at Kruti emphasize more on skill development of the students. Hence, our curriculum is designed accordingly.
Great. So, any insight into how your university could be more welcoming to the students of different races and or economic backgrounds?
See, we at Kruti Group, we welcome students from all the sections of society, and we do not differentiate them based on caste, creed, or economic backgrounds. In fact, our approach is philanthropic, and we provide scholarships to meritorious and needy students. Many of the students, those who are willing to study, but their parents or their family is not able to support them. So our government is also helping them, and we have also made several provisions so that they can study with us and make a successful career.
Great. That's quite great. So, what do you think your roles and responsibilities to the university and the students are like?
See, we want to be one of the best institutions in our state for providing quality education in the coming years. Our vision is to empower youth for his revolutionary growth and to reach the highest potential. So our mission is to train students
Great.
in a way such that after graduating, they become job provider instead of job seeker. So we also believe in entrepreneurship. We have also set up an entrepreneurship cell where students can nurture their entrepreneurship skills.
Mhm.
So I believe that healthy and friendly relationship with the students will always core heart of our institute. We allow them to share their professional, personal problems and try to resolve them as soon as possible with our faculties. And even myself is also interacting with them regularly.
Mhm.
I often go to classes and discuss with students about their difficulties in understanding any subject and take remedial measures accordingly. I make them comfortable while interacting with me also and motivate them, and our team also tries to keep them motivated so that their interest in education is never lost.
Great. So, what would you like people to know about your university that they may not know?
We are situated in, like we can say, we are situated in the capital city of Raipur. We are just nearby 8 kilometers from the city center, and we have a good art of state infrastructure, 20 acres campus, with good well-equipped labs. We have around our classrooms and lab each of around 1,000 square feet each. So I think these facilities in this difficult times when COVID pandemic is there, following social distancing and giving quality education, our teachers are taking all kind of precautions, and we are ready to deliver quality education in this difficult times also. So I think these things many institutions don't have, which good infrastructure with ample space we have with us.
Great.
So I think this will be a part which will segregate us from many institutes.
Great. So
we have most of our HODs, those who are PhDs. We have our principals, those who are very qualified. Our academic team is very strong, which is delivering the students what they want more than that.
Great. So, what do you see as Kruti Group of Institution greatest strength?
So, as I told you, that most of the faculties
Our PhDs
here
holders and
are PhDs, and our principal is very experienced. And with that, we have good state-of-art infrastructure with good ample space with us. We have a playground for each and every sports, so that our students is not only good at studies, but we also focus on their overall development. We provide yoga facilities, we provide sports facilities, we provide entrepreneurship facilities. We train them and make them ready for the industry need. And these things make us apart, and these are our biggest strength, due to which each and every student want to join our institute. And if anyone, those who want to join our institute, an economic part is stopping them to join our institute, so we have designed various scholarships also, through which they can come to our institute and make a successful career.
Okay, and what are some of the biggest challenges that you and your universities are facing right now? And
See, right now, if I'll say, the biggest challenge is like most of the people, due to our state having most of the areas as rural areas.
Yes.
So there is a lack of knowledge to students. And in these difficult times of COVID, it becomes difficult for us to go to them and train them, because at this time there is a lot of issues of internet connectivity.
Yes.
So how to contact students? So our major aim is that to contact and generate a feeling of awareness amongst them, that how we are present over here in Raipur, and we are delivering quality education in this difficult time. We have started our online education, and whenever there will be a relaxation, so we will welcome students to our campus with maintaining complete social distancing and maintaining complete precautions, so that we can take care of our all the teachers, faculties, all the staff members, as well as students, so that they can gain education without their life risk.
Great. And so one last question. So any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
I would like to say that students just need to be more attentive and alert in the current scenario in identifying their interest, passion, and accordingly should choose their course, curriculum, and subject. I would also admonish students to focus more on gaining experience and knowledge rather than academic marks, because it is just a number. But experience and their exposure will decide what they want to do in their life. There is no profession today which cannot flourish in this era of digitization. So I think there is a greater scope lying for students, because now everything is digitized and computer friendly. So I think with this knowledge of times of when we are living in digitized age and internet age, the students need to learn everything. They should open their minds and be ready to learn new things. Excellence is the only key to achieve success. There is no road, there is no shortcut to success. So they should be ready to do hard work to achieve success.
Great. Thank you for sharing your thoughts on education.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.